Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Xero works. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses, providing an efficient and secure way to manage financial data. To get started with Xero, you first need to create an account and set up your organization. This involves adding your company details, setting up users and their respective roles, and connecting your bank accounts to Xero. Connecting your bank accounts allows Xero to automatically import your bank transactions, making it easier to track your expenses and income. The dashboard is the central hub of Xero, providing a snapshot of your business's financial performance. From here, you can access various tools and features such as invoicing, billing, and expense tracking. Xero also allows you to create and send professional-looking invoices to your customers and track payments in real time. One of the key features of Xero is its ability to automate tasks such as reconciliations and transactions. This saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. Xero also provides a range of reporting tools, allowing you to gain insights into your business's financial performance and make informed decisions. To ensure accuracy and compliance, Xero has built-in checks and balances, such as automatic backups and secure data storage. Additionally, Xero integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, allowing you to customize your accounting system to meet your specific business needs. Best practices for using Xero include regularly reconciling your accounts, keeping your invoices and bills up to date, and using the reporting tools to monitor your business's financial performance. By following these best practices and taking advantage of Xero's features and tools, you can streamline your accounting processes, reduce costs, and improve your business's overall financial health. In conclusion, Xero is a powerful and user-friendly accounting software that can help you manage your business's financial data efficiently and securely. By understanding how Xero works and using it effectively, you can free up more time to focus on growing your business and achieving your goals.